I'll give you several options. The first option is to open your computer, laptop, or phone and follow the instructions in this video to have a residual income up and running in much less than 30 minutes. And then you can turn off your computer or close your laptop and go out with your friends. Have a good time, unwind, take a nap, go to the cafe, and then come back to collect your daily earnings. Option 2. Do not follow the instructions in this video or tutorial. Then you can go back to your normal life without money. You can select either of these two options, but keep in mind that if you do choose to start and follow the tutorial, you will earn money. I would like you to know that it works all over the world and that you can get paid endlessly. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. For today, we'll use GIF to earn money, and then you'll be compensated for GIF. To get started, we should first define what it's about. GIF is a lossless image file format that supports both animated and static images according to Google. When you browse for GIFs, you'll get a number of different GIFs that I'm sure you've seen already. It's not even a video since there's no sound, but it's also not a photo because it's a GIF, and I'm confident you've seen something like this before. These are some of the most popular online GIFs in history, and I'm sure you've seen them somewhere now that you know what a GIF is. Go to Giphy.com and make your first step. This is Giphy.com, a website where millions around the world contribute their different skills on a variety of topics. On Giphy.com, you can find serious GIFs, fantastic GIFs, wildlife GIFs, and more. On Giphy.com, there are millions of unique GIFs to be discovered. Will you have to publish these and generate these steps? No, you will never be required to submit anything to Giphy.com because you will be paid easily for downloading those GIFs from Giphy.com. I'll explain the process of correctly setting it up and operating it so you can get compensated. For the first step, I simply go to Giphy.com. Now you have two options. Go instantly to Giphy.com or use the search button to look for specific GIFs such as subscriber count, likes count, view counts, Facebook like counts, and so on. You can, for example, search for subscriber counts right here, so I can show you an example. So this is a cool one you can use as an example, or perhaps this one. I'm not sure, but I think this one is nicer because we need a GIF for the subscriber count. You can do this on Giphy.com or go directly to Google and search for subscribers count GIF, then go to photos and start exploring it, and you'll find so much more GIFs. That way, they will show you how many followers and likes you have. For instance, I'm going to use this one because it is such an awesome one. As you'll see, it displays followers and how many likes you have, and it's also from Giphy.com, so it's some really great stuff. Anyway, once you've discovered that, I'd like you to proceed to step 3, which is once you've selected the appropriate GIF, I'd like you to save it to your device. If you're using a computer or a laptop, simply right-click on the GIF and choose to save the image and save it to your computer. Step 4, go to eclincher.com, a website where you can share your work with everyone. This is the top-rated social media management platform, and it has been reported that entrepreneurs and normal citizens like me and you use it to build their social media profiles automatically because eclincher.com will maintain and increase their social media profiles for them. As you'll see, it is set to increase our social media ROI and make you wealthy. It is compatible with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, and a variety of other social media sites. Do we have to put this to use right now? No. You haven't got to pay for anything? No. This is something that can be done for free. Is it required that you have specific social media accounts for this? Absolutely not. And you don't even need any followers on social media, making this ideal for absolute beginners with no previous experience in or particular skills. As a result, the Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, Fox News, the Boston Globe, and other major news outlets have all featured this website. Eclincher.com helps the user grow their social media profiles by handling all of the work and managing all of their accounts. It allowed them to gain more followers, increase their income, increase the return on investment, or purely bring value and features to improve their ability to implement our strategic plan for that specific entrepreneur or a business owner. So for step 4, all you must do is visit eclincher.com. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. The 5th step, I hope you're paying much attention because for step number 5, you'll need to scroll to the bottom of the website and look on partner or affiliate, which indicates you'll have to join their affiliate program in order to begin making money with those GIFs. And each of those GIFs can make you hundreds of dollars. So hang tight to see how all this works, but first let's get one thing clear. In 2020, over 3.6 billion people, or nearly half of the world's population, use social media, with that figure set to rise to nearly 4.4 billion by 2025. Since there are many people who will benefit from eclincher.com, and for each of those 4.4 billion people you refer, Step 5 will earn you $100 if you apply for the affiliate program by simply clicking on the Apply Here button. Each person equals $100, 10 people equals $1,000, and so on. And $10,000 in huge profit equals 100 people. Since you're not investing any money, I'm going to be showing you a simple method for getting paid while doing nothing. I'll now be taken to this page, in which you'll need to enter your email address as well as your first and last name for the website section. You can easily paste the website that will be used for traffic in the website section for a moment. I'll tell you the platform I'll be using to generate traffic, and you can add that link as a website. You don't need your own website for this, so don't worry about it. You can leave this field blank unless you have a company name, and if you don't worry. It will not work for you because you will choose your country, and as you can see, individuals from everywhere in the world are welcome. So all of these countries are accepted, we can go through them all, and they are all accepted to work globally. You generate a password for some of your social media accounts here, read their terms and conditions and privacy policies by clicking on the link. And if you agree, simply check the box, click the I'm not a robot button right here, and sign up. Now you can grab your special affiliate link, and when someone clicks on it, they'll be able to sign up for eclincher.com and you'll earn $100 per person. You only need 3 individuals to earn $300, and I'm basically going to show you how you can achieve millions of individuals. As you can see, there are 3.6 billion people all over the world using social media, and now eclincher.com will help them in increasing and getting more money with their social media accounts. Now that you have your affiliate link, all you have to do is start driving traffic with the GIFs we downloaded for free. So for step 6, simply go to imgur.com, and according to a similar web, Imgur is seen by over 253 million people in a single month, and you simply only need 3 people to create $300, 6 people to create $600, and so on and so forth. This is 200 million people, so for step 6, simply sign up by clicking the sign up button right here. It's totally free and it won't even take you over a minute to sign up for an absolutely free lifetime account. After that, all you have to do is publish the GIF you previously downloaded for free. So all you have to do is to click on a new post box here, which will take you to this website, or double click on the GIF you previously downloaded. It will look like this, and as you'll see, it will be very appealing. Now give your post a title. I want you to write something that might pique people's interest because you want them to press on your affiliate links so you can start making $100 per person, $300 for 3 persons, $1,000 for 10 persons, and so on. So for instance, there is an increase in your social media accounts instantly or something along those lines. Of course, you can personalize and modify it as you see fit. And then in the description, include a nice call to action and a special affiliate link. I'll just say register here, but I highly urge you to type anything that could catch their interest. Add some text. This is important because you obviously want people that are interested in growing their social media accounts to go see your affiliate link. You wouldn't want people who are interested in health and wellness to see your link. So for instance, type in Instagram or brand ambassador or how to grow your Instagram and so on and so forth. Once you've finished adding those texts, you can inspire targeted individuals since you have a call to action and a nice looking affiliate link. All you have to do now is release this to the public and over 243 million people can see your post on Imgur.com. Simply go to the community and click post publicly and you're done. You've made a GIF that many people all over the world can now see, and you'll be compensated for each individual who signs up for Eclincher.com using your link. You can do the same thing with all of these different GIFs, and whatever you think will catch the public's attention and get them to click your link to go to Jiffy.com and find some interesting GIFs. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!